So, as educated as you are, you believe that a human being born of a woman will turn to these two animals and visit you. And the one will be Owen go dey suck your blood. And the cat, go do some certain things inside your compound. So you believe, say, these two animals now, somebody, human being like you, will turn to these two animals and visit you and be sucking your blood and be attacking you spiritually. And una talk saying na witchcraft. Do you understand me? Una talk saying na witchcraft. So, an Eziago, somebody possess this kind of power. 9 years men and insecurity. They chase all of us away. So, an Ebony indigene possess this kind of power. 9 years men, they clear all of us. So, Imo State somebody possess this kind of power. Now they complain about insecurity here and there. So some of our villages, we are even running away from Fulani men. As educated as you are, you believe that somebody, a human being, born of a woman, can turn to these two animals. Do you know why you believe so? Because of belief system. Their agent who my boss now. Oh, if you don't believe in spirituality, leave it for those who believe in it. Spiritual power exists, you. Spirituality exists, you. Then prove me wrong. If all these things that you people are claiming do exist. Why are we running away from insecurity? Why are we running away from friendless men? If you not possess this kind of power. See how Akwakoko now. Akwakoko is he not getting to over a year now? But his club members, where they tell you, say, oh, they have Obalora, they have Ibobo, they have Arabaka, they have they must pay, they have Ogukari Ogwoblibudu. But their members, the government is still the whole now. Is going to over a year. A Morning Star Club is doing nothing. At least they therefore don't send one kind, spiritual power to release Akwakoko. All these things are very clear. Ihe na doesn't exist. One name of superstition and the sufferance. Somebody will be coming outside, will be telling you, oh, that you can't tame water, and it start to introducing you one superstition, and you are there believing it. One name if Anina doesn't exist. I'm telling you, if Anina doesn't exist, if you want to amaze it, then you will need to say bye.